Hey everybody, Josh Bentley, and I'm back with another video in our SAP Community series. And for this one, I wanted to show you about the profile section and your content. And as always, I love to talk about myself, so this is pretty easy. We're going to log into the section where I can see my content. For you, you'll notice you'll have, once you're logged in, you can see a profile picture here, an icon that we'll talk about later how to change that. And underneath that, we have this avatar for my content. And if you click on my content, it's going to go to a section with information about you, your posts, solutions, kudos given, recent notifications. You got some kudos here on the right-hand side that have been given to you, as well as kudos that you've given to others. And then you can view your badges by clicking on the View All Badges. So that 5-badge list expands into all your badges. I have 197 badges so far. This other user, Q Macro, has 128. I'm not saying it's better to have more. I'm just saying that some people are active in certain ways. They have more solutions. Other people are out there learning and getting content and actually getting a lot of badges for that. So it's just, the whole point's be active in the community, and this is a great way to gamify it and actually see that activity. Another thing I want to show you is there's a search bar here. Let's say I wanted to look up one of my older blogs, and I wrote something called Blog It Forward. This is a pretty cool one that's dated from 2012, so it's rather old. I can't remember if my opinions are still good or not, but feel free to read this one in your spare time. So after looking at this older blog, maybe I want to go back and I've checked that and I want to look at my profile and make some changes. So I can go back to the My Content section, and I can see that I've got the little pin here next to my picture where I could change my profile picture. Now, this is a pretty good picture, but let's say I want to upload a new one. I just happen to have a folder called headshots. I'm assuming everybody has that. And then I look here, I've got my newest pic that I've taken, so I can put that one in. So that's pretty cool. I tell you what, if this video gets 50 likes, then there's a 50-50 chance that I'll make this my official profile picture on all of my social media. So let's see if we can get that done. For now, I'm going to cancel that so that I can beg you for the interaction. And I will change this section here where I tell others about myself. So if you've got something that is your profile bio that you want to share, something you're passionate about, feel free to edit that in, and then you can save that. And now people will be able to read about you and see a picture. It's pretty important to have that picture and this biography because it lets people really know who you are, and it makes it a little more of a personal experience. You'll notice now, though, this has changed from the content. This page looks different. Now I can see my latest followers, people that I'm following. I can click on the View All Connections. Maybe there's some people that follow me that I want to follow back, and I want to be interactive. So I can see here that I've got this person I'm not following yet and this person. So basically it's a great way to get interactive. And then the other thing I want to point out is if you notice something suspicious on a profile, you can click the Report Profile, and you can say one of these options here that'll go to a moderator and let them know that you think this profile is inappropriate or has been hacked. So that's it for this video. Please, like this video. Let me know if you want to change my profile picture. And if you have any questions about your content, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Talk to you later. Bye.